Alright. Mr. R wanted us to learn an I, Jack Semple,
Christian Chase,
from his 4th period chemistry, have learned to an A level the following concepts from the first 11 chapters of our chemistry book. This is not an inclusive list, but my selection of concepts from each chapter that I will remember. Okay, so chapter 1, the intro to chemistry. We learned that chemists design materials to fit specific needs. Chapter 2, matter and change. We learned the 3 states of matter, solid, liquid, gas. Chapter 3, scientific measurement. We learned that the SI base units are meter, kilogram, Kelvin, second, and mole. Chapter 4, atomic structure. We learned subatomic particles are electrons, protons, and neutrons. Chapter 5, electrons and atoms. We learned 3 rules: the Aufbau principle, the Pauli exclusion principle, and the Hund's rule.
and in chapter 6, the periodic table. We studied the periodic table. We got to sing the periodic table song, and also electron configuration. We learned about electron configuration. Chapter 7, we learned about ions. We had the octet rule. That was introduced to us. Also, how ions are formed with valence electrons. In chapter 8, covalent bonding. We were taught about information on the molecular formula. It shows how many atoms of each element a molecule contains. Whatever that is. In chapter 9, chemical names and formulas. We learned how to write formulas and binary compounds. Compounds of 2 elements can be either ionic or molecular. Chapter 10, chemical quantities. We learned 3 ways to measure matter, which is count, mass, volume. And chapter 11, chemical reaction. We learned skeleton equation and the late types of chemical reactions.
That's everything.
Yeah.
Yeah!